Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, students? Dear students, today inshallah we read the some pages of the basic book of this Nurania. So Alhamdulillah, we have already read lesson number 1 to lesson number 7. Today inshallah we read from lesson number 8 inshallah. So first of all, just we quickly repeat the previous lesson, starting off the lesson chapter, and then we uh, start the new lesson. Now we read with the name of Allah with ta'awuz and tashmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ألف لام ألف باء ألف لام ألف لام لام ألف لام حام لام ألف با لام با كاف 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 با كاف با كاف ألف كاف ألف با كاف تا تا كاف سام با تا سا نون يا با ألف نون ألف تا ألف يا ألف سا ألف با سين ياسين نون سين تا سين ثا سين ثا جيم تا حام. Next one is Noon Kha Ya Ham Ba Jim Ya Mim Ba Mim Noon Mim Ta Mim Sa Mim Ba Ya 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 Noon Ya Ta Ya Sa Ya Noon Ba Lam Ta Noon Lam Ba Ya Lam Ya Ta Lam Sa Sa Lam Noon Ba Noon Ba Noon Noon Ta Ya Noon Ya Ta Noon Sa Sa Noon Jim Ha Kha Ha Tha Kha Ba Jim Ta Ta Ha Ta. So dear student, this is our yesterday lesson, the previous day lesson. We repeat all the lessons of this chapter, and now we start the new lesson. Just we start from here, from this letter we start the new lesson. Okay, just I open and driven app. It's easy to us to memorize and to understand. So I open the lesson here. Okay, now we start with the name of Allah, with ta'awuz and tasmiyah, the new lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now the first letter of the lesson is Ya, Jim, Ba. First one is Ya. We read the sign of Ya, 2 dot at the bottom of the letters, and then Jim, 1 dot at the middle of the letter, and then Ba, 1 dot at the bottom of the letter. Ya is written in half shape, Jim is written also in half shape, and Ba is in full shape. So we read it Ya, Jim, Ba. Next one is Ba, Kha, Ta. Again here Ba, there's 1 dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of Ba. And then Kha, 1 dot at the top of the letter, the green color, and also the dot is in green color. So we read it Kha, written in half shape. And then Ta, 2 dot at the top of the letter. Both Ta is written in full shape. We read it now Ba, Kha, Ta. Next one is Ta, 2 dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of Ta, and the shape is different. This one we read this one Ta, but here this shape is different. We read this one Ta. This is also Ta, but we read it round Ta. If we stop any letter at this Ta, so this Ta become Ha. Okay, so this also Ta. We read it Ta. Then next one is Ha. Next one is Ba-ta. Here you see Ba, 1 dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of Ba. The dot is also in red color, and the Ba is also in red color. Then Ta, 2 dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of Ta, and this is also the round Ta. Okay, keep understand. So we read it Ba-ta, Ba-ta. Next one is, sorry, yes, Ya, Jim, Ba. We already read this one. Next, this is Ya, Ha. Ya, 1 dot, 2 dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of Ya. The Ya is in red color. Also, the dot is in also red color. So the next one, the black color. The last is, this is Ha. So we read it Ya, Ha. Next one is Ta, Ha. The sign of Ta is there, 2 dot at the top of the letter, and then Ha. You see here, and this is one shape, and second shape, and third shape, fourth shape, 4 different shape of Ha. You see here, this one, and here this one, and here this one, and here this one, 4 different shape of Ta. Okay, Jazakallah. Next one is Noon, Ta. You have also read the sign of Noon is 1 dot at the top of the letter. So this is Noon, and then Ta. This is once again different shape of Ta. You see here. Okay, so the 2 dot at the top of the letter. This is the sign of Ta. So we read it Noon, Ta. Next one is Ha, Ha. Next one is Ya, Ha, Ba. Again here, 2 dot at the bottom of the letter. This is the sign of Ya, and then Ha in red color, and then Ba, 1 dot at the bottom of the letter. Ba is in full shape. Ya is in half shape. Ya, Ha, Ba. Ya, Ha, Ba. Next one is Ba, Ha, Alif. 1 dot at the bottom of the letter. Ba is written in half shape, and then Ha, and then Alif. Ba, Ha, Alif. Ba, Ha, Alif. Next one is Ba, 1 dot at the bottom of the letter. This is also Ba, and then Ha in different shape. You see here Ba, Ha, Mim. Mim is in full shape. So we read it Ba, Ha, Mim. Next one letter is Dal. You have also read in previous pages. So this is in original shape. Dal. Jim. Dal. This is Jim. One dot at the middle of the letter. This is the sign of Jim and written in half shape. Jim is written in half shape and then joined with dal. Dal in full shape. So two letters are joined together. We read it Jim dal. So we stop the lesson here. So we once again repeat the whole lesson, the new lesson, today lesson, one by one. Ya Jim ba ba kha ta ta ha ba ta ya ha ta ha nun ta ha ya ha ba ba ha alif ba ha mim dal dal jim dal. Dear student, so this is our today lesson. Inshallah, see you with another lesson. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khair.